Now I've just finished a row of the corded Brussels, and I'm going to be switching to another stitch. But there is a technique called whipping back instead of laying the cord back, in which I just do a whip stitch through each of the stitches, working my way back to the other side. This might be used when you need to make an edge of stitching lay a little better. In other words, it's rolling, but you can see it in your work just a little bit. It makes a faint line, so you do want to be careful if you're not going to be kneading this stitch and you're doing it just to get your stitches to lay a little straighter. But in this particular case, I'm going to switch from this stitch to another stitch, and I want to have a very distinct demarcation between the stitches. So I'm going to do that. Now you would do the same technique of whipping back anytime you were going to make a deliberate hole in your lace. And so you would whip through the stitches where you wanted the hole to be. And then in the next row you would skip those stitches, and that would create a hole. So this technique does have other uses besides just being part of a stitch. It's used when we're creating space. There you go. And that's just called whipping back.